Pheasant meat is one of those foods that quietly exists in the background of culinary history, respected by chefs and hunters yet largely unknown to the mainstream public. While chicken, beef, and turkey dominate everyday meals, pheasant remains a hidden gem, often associated with traditional countryside cooking, seasonal feasts, and refined game cuisine. Understanding pheasant meat means exploring not just its taste, but its nutritional value, cultural roots, sustainability, and why it deserves far more attention in modern diets. Pheasants are ground-dwelling birds originally native to Asia, later introduced to Europe and North America centuries ago. Over time, they became deeply connected with rural landscapes and seasonal hunting traditions. Unlike industrial poultry, pheasants are typically raised in free-range environments or harvested from the wild. This lifestyle directly affects the quality of their meat, making it leaner, firmer, and more flavorful than conventional chicken. One of the most common questions people ask is what pheasant meat tastes like. The answer sits somewhere between chicken and turkey, but with a distinct game character. Pheasant has a mild yet rich flavor that feels natural and earthy rather than fatty or heavy. The meat is not overpowering, making it accessible even for people who are new to game meats. However, compared to chicken, pheasant is noticeably firmer and slightly drier due to its low fat content. This is why cooking technique matters so much when preparing pheasant. From a nutritional standpoint, pheasant meat is impressive. It is high in protein while remaining very low in fat, especially saturated fat. This makes it an excellent option for people focused on lean muscle growth, weight management, or heart health. A serving of pheasant provides essential amino acids, iron, zinc, phosphorus, and B vitamins, particularly vitamin B12, which plays a key role in energy production and nervous system health. Because pheasant meat is less processed and often free from additives, it appeals strongly to clean eating and whole food lifestyles. When comparing pheasant to chicken, the differences become clearer. Chicken, especially commercially raised chicken, contains more fat and has a softer texture. Pheasant, on the other hand, has a tighter muscle structure due to its active lifestyle. This results in meat that feels more substantial when eaten. Nutritionally, pheasant often contains fewer calories per serving while delivering comparable protein levels. This makes it popular among athletes, hunters, and people seeking nutrient-dense foods without excess calories. Cooking pheasant requires a slightly different mindset than cooking chicken. Because it is lean, pheasant can dry out quickly if overcooked. Traditional methods often involve roasting with added moisture, such as basting with butter, wrapping the meat in bacon, or slow cooking it in stews and casseroles. These techniques help retain moisture while enhancing flavor. In many European cuisines, pheasant is paired with herbs, root vegetables, and light sauces that complement rather than overpower its natural taste. Culturally, pheasant has long been associated with seasonal and celebratory meals. In parts of Europe, pheasant appears on autumn and winter tables, symbolizing harvest time and abundance. It has also been a staple in royal and aristocratic cuisine, valued for its elegance and connection to the land. Despite this prestigious history, pheasant is not an inaccessible luxury. With proper sourcing and preparation, it can be enjoyed as part of a balanced and mindful diet. Sustainability is another area where pheasant stands out. Compared to industrial meat production, pheasant farming and regulated hunting tend to have a lower environmental footprint. Free-range living conditions reduce the need for intensive feed systems, antibiotics, and artificial growth methods. Ethical hunting practices also play a role in population control and ecosystem balance. For consumers concerned about sustainability and animal welfare, pheasant offers an alternative that aligns with responsible food choices. There is also a growing interest in rediscovering traditional proteins as modern diets evolve. As people look beyond heavily processed foods, game meats like pheasant are gaining renewed attention. They fit well into paleo, keto, and high-protein dietary patterns, while also appealing to those who value food with a story and a connection to nature. Pheasant represents a bridge between old-world traditions and modern nutritional awareness. Another advantage of pheasant meat is its versatility. While it shines in classic roasted dishes, it can also be used in contemporary recipes such as pheasant burgers, pies, stir-fries, and even grilled preparations when handled carefully. The key is respecting its lean nature and allowing its subtle flavor to come through. When paired with complementary ingredients like mushrooms, garlic, thyme, or light citrus notes, pheasant becomes surprisingly adaptable. From a health perspective, pheasant meat supports muscle maintenance, immune function, and overall metabolic health. Its iron content helps prevent fatigue and supports oxygen transport in the blood, while zinc contributes to immune defense and hormone balance. The absence of heavy processing also means fewer hidden additives, making pheasant a cleaner protein choice compared to many supermarket meats. Despite all these benefits, pheasant remains underrepresented in everyday cooking. This is largely due to unfamiliarity rather than any real limitation. As more people become curious about where their food comes from and how it affects their bodies, pheasant has the potential to move from niche to mainstream. Education plays a key role here, helping consumers understand how to cook it properly and appreciate its qualities. In conclusion, pheasant meat is a highly nutritious, flavorful, and sustainable protein that deserves far more recognition than it currently receives. It offers a lean alternative to common meats, carries deep cultural significance, and fits perfectly into modern health-conscious lifestyles. Whether you approach it from a culinary, nutritional, or environmental angle, pheasant stands out as a smart and meaningful food choice. Once you understand it, pheasant stops being an exotic curiosity and becomes simply another excellent option on the table.